All right, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is an educational channel, and we get into great theories of everything, great concepts, and um, these are things that are a little bit off the beaten path, things that the powers that be don't want you to know, and are actively kind of keeping you from learning about. And This is the segment that we have called Your Blind Side, number 44. And this is for the movement out there and just giving you a heads up about some things that might be lurking in your blind side, in your um, blind spots, in your Achilles heels, places where you might not be looking, but they might not be, um, you know, uh, right there, right now. But in the future, these are things that you're going to have to look out for, or these are things that, you know, um, that we have to prepare for. I see that we're going to win this info war. The globalists are going down. But after that, what's going to happen? That's that's my concern. You might say I'm being a little bit premature with uh, with this approach. That may be, um, but I see there being a great deal of control there, and the narratives that I see that are out there are just kind of so absurd that I feel like it's almost an insult to our intelligence to be paying attention to them, and that they're not really for us. They're for the stragglers and get everybody up to speed. But while other people are getting up to speed, we need to stay active and get our houses in order, because the other people getting up to speed, these are the people that are, going to be kind of on the losing end, or, they're going to have uh, a big, big, big kind of set of red pills that are going to be blasting them. And they're going to be needing some help. And they're going to be probably needing help from you and from us. Um, but we're not going to be able to provide that kind of help if we don't do our homework and get prepared. But moreover, we're going to need these things for ourselves. And so I don't recommend breaking out the champagne and the popcorn, but uh, instead getting your nose to the grindstone and, um, you know, uh, doing some more digging deeper into your conditionings and your belief systems, deconstructing, um, you know, uh, psychedelics, meditation. Um, no, psychedelics, not for introspection and for um, discipline, um, disciplined, you know, uh, intention and respectful intention, not just like some party. And then, meditation and exercise, uh, yoga and or glorified stretching and you know sunshine and clean diet. These are things that we need to have as ways of life, and not just special occasions. Sometimes the InfoWar can be kind of stressful, and we in stressful situations we tend to lean on our creature comforts and things that might be not so good for us in the long run. Well, now we're kind of getting a little bit of a respite where we can kind of recalibrate and kind of get out of uh, these unhealthy ways of being and unhealthy habits. And again, I would say, some of these, eh, uh, you know, uh, these supplements and these, um, methods that are offered by some of the Patriot channels out there, uh, I think they may be okay as a band-aid type of situation, but really ultimately, if you get yourself on the proper diet for yourself, you don't need to take any supplements. You don't need to do anything. You will be perfectly healthy, and like your health will be boundless. It will be better than um, you could have ever imagined. And so these are things that you kind of have to be shooting for and to try to unlock these things. Um, Now, on my channel, I've got a lot of tools that you can use in order to, uh, you, you know, get yourself right. Obviously, you have to do it yourself, but I provide a lot of guidelines, especially in the reciprocal church um, playlists, and um, also these Your Blind Side and the Q-tip of the spear. All of these things are designed for the evolution of our movement. Um, and so, you know, don't think that because you've been red pilled that there is no more red pilling to do. Red pilling comes in stages, and um, it comes in many stages. I mean, I think I first got red pilled in the early 1980s. And, you know, I started getting consistent red pills in the late 1980s, early 1990s for about 5 years, where I got about 7 doses of red pills. Um, and then gradually over the next 30 years, I probably would get one every year or two. And so, uh, these are kind of like major uh, epiphanies that you have where you're like, I was doing it all wrong. I was relying on uh, a belief system that I didn't even know I had. I didn't even know that I believed in this because I kind of didn't see that there could be another belief system about this. And it turned out that I was all wrong and that I was accepting um, this thing. And now I can see that there was all this time, there was this other way of thinking about it. And I never got that. And so those are the kind of things that we have to we have to inculcate. There's no time to be going backwards. There's no time to even be complacent. If you've figured out that we're going to win this war, um, you should stop being deployed and get yourself maneuvered onto the next phase. Get ready for the next phase. It might not start for a little while because they're going to be playing this out for a little while. But the more people that are ready for the next phase, the better our chances are of kind of carrying the day. Because if we don't get the next phase right, we're going to end up right back here where we're trying to get out of. It might not happen immediately, but uh, we're going to regress right back to where we were if we don't have the mindset to really move forward and really, you know, create a change as opposed to, just kind of resting on our laurels and being naive about it. We can't, I think this movement is very genuine, and this movement is very, dedicated, but we tend to be pretty naive and credulous. We tend to kind of buy into things that we really should know better. We've all been red pilled to a certain extent, and many of us, I've heard many of us say, "Oh, everything I learned has turned out to be a lie." You got to really apply that. It's true. You got to really apply it. It's not just not just the superficial stuff, not just the political, social stuff. It goes deep, 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 deep. And we all have to be ready to go deep, deep, deep. Um, okay. It doesn't mean that we have to do it right now immediately. It means that we have to get ready for it, get our minds right for it, and be prepared for it. We have a little bit of time, but there's no time like the present to get ready. Because as the I don't know who says this, the coup, uh, this left wing hip hop, they say, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So I think that's kind of what we need to be doing is stay ready. Okay. Thanks for tuning in today. Like, share, subscribe, comment, contribute, and check out my channel. I've got a lot of resources on there. Um, you know, it's not in the best form in terms of it's not on a silver platter for you. Hopefully one day it will be, but you might have to sift through a little bit. Um, but hopefully the titles will uh, reveal what the videos are about. And so check that out, and like, share, subscribe, comment, contribute. And remember to watch your blind side.